kind of groovy. I call you up and ask if you would like to go with me to see a movie. First you say no, you've got some plans for the night, and then you stop and say, alright, love is kind of crazy with a spooky little girl like you. Spooky, you always keep me guessing, I never seem to know what you're thinking. And if some fella looks at you, you can be sure your little eye will be awake. Confused, cause I don't know where I stand, and then you smile and hold my hand. Love is kind of crazy with a spooky little girl like you. Spooky, alright. So if you decide you're gonna stop this little game that you've been playing, I'm gonna tell you all the things my heart is really dying to be saying. Well, just like a ghost, you've been a haunting my dreams, so I propose on Halloween. Love is kind of crazy with a spooky little girl like you. Spooky right there. That's some spooky stuff. Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad we got this.
Well, I'm going to Kansas City. Kansas City, here I come.
Kansas City, here I come.
Going to Kansas City. Kansas City, here I come.
Kansas City, here I come.
We got some crazy little women. I'll be standing on the corner, 12th Street and Vine.
Standing on the corner watching pretty guys go by.
Standing on the corner, 12th Street and Vine.
Standing on the corner watching pretty guys go by.
Well, Kansas City, baby, I'm a bottle of Kansas City wine. Well, I might take a train, I might take a plane, but if I got to walk there, going just the same. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come.
Kansas City, here I come.
We got some crazy little women here, and I'm gonna give me one. 1, 2, 1, 2. In the morning, leaving at the break of dawn.
In the morning, break of dawn.
I'll be back in the morning, leaving at the break of dawn.
In the morning, break of dawn.
When that old lady, she wakes up, she gonna find I'm gone.
So gone, so gone, so gone.
Well, I might take a train or I might take a plane. If I gotta walk there, I'm going just the same. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City, I come.
Kansas City, here I come.
We got some crazy little women there. They got some crazy little women there. Oh my, they got some crazy little women there. I'm gonna give me one. Thank you very much.
the bass.
Dennis Garrison, Esquire. Kansas City's